In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom inside Microsoft Teams. First things first, to begin the integration process, you'll need to locate and click on the Apps button. You'll find this essential button on the left-hand navigation panel within your Microsoft Teams interface. It's usually represented by an icon that looks like several squares or a small App Store symbol, making it easy to spot. This Apps section is your gateway to expanding Microsoft Teams functionality, allowing you to seamlessly integrate various third-party applications, including Zoom, directly into your collaborative workspace. By selecting this option, you're telling Teams you want to explore and add new tools that can enhance your communication and productivity, opening up a world of possibilities for more efficient workflows. Once you've clicked on Apps, a new window or panel will open, presenting you with a vast directory of available applications. To quickly find what we're looking for, you'll need to utilize the search bar. This search bar is typically located at the top of the Apps directory and will be clearly labeled. Simply type Zoom into this search field. As you type, the list of applications will filter in real time, showing you results that match your input. It's important to type Zoom accurately to ensure you find the official application. You should look for the recognizable Zoom logo to confirm you found the correct listing for the popular video conferencing tool. This step is crucial for pinpointing the exact integration we want to add to our Teams environment. After successfully typing Zoom and seeing the official Zoom app appear in your search results, the next logical step is to initiate its integration with Teams. You'll see an Add button prominently displayed, either right next to the app's listing or within its dedicated details page. Go ahead and click this Add button. This action signals to Microsoft Teams that you wish to install the Zoom application and allow it to function within your Teams environment. Depending on your organization's settings or specific app requirements, you might briefly see a loading indicator. And in some cases, you may be prompted to review and accept certain permissions for Zoom to access aspects of your Teams profile. These permission requests are a standard part of app integrations, ensuring transparency about how different platforms interact. With the Zoom app successfully added to your Microsoft Teams, you're just one click away from using it. Following the Add action, the button will likely transform or be replaced by an Open option. Locate and click this Open button to launch the newly integrated Zoom application within your Teams window. This will typically bring up Zoom's interface, perhaps starting with a welcome screen, or prompting you to sign into your existing Zoom account, or to create one if you don't already have an account. Once signed in, you'll discover the convenience of scheduling, managing, and joining Zoom meetings directly from within Microsoft Teams, eliminating the need to switch between different applications. This streamlined workflow enhances productivity and provides a more cohesive communication experience, right where you already collaborate.